Well, my dear students, today we discuss more information about the third session, that is formats of various business letters. The format of business letter. Here the format means the design in which the different parts of letters are placed on the letterhead. The parts are placed in the same order from top to bottom in all forms or styles. The variation is in the indentation and the paragraph styles. The main formats of business letters are full blank formats, second one modified blank format, next another format is semi blank format, next one indented form, and the last format is hanging indented form. These are all the format of business letters. Among them, the first one is the full blank format. In full blank formats, all lines, dates, inside address, salutation, paragraphs, complementary clause are flushed with left margin. All the parts of the letters are generally starts with the left side margin. It is the main features. Second one, it concentrates too much on the left margin rather than the right. With this, no typing adjustments are required because everything begins at the left margin. This form is popular due to pleasant and informal looks. So, some business organizations follow the full blank formats. In some companies do not like this form because it looks heavy on the left and rather blank on the right. It is the blank. Then the full blank format, it is the format for the full blank business letters. Here already note all the parts are start with left margin. Among them, first one is head address. It is also start with is full blank style, that is non-indented form. It is start with left side margin of the letters. In the same way, date is also started with left margin. Then inside address start with margin. Thereafter, by using double line spacing, the salutations are started. It is also with left side margin, that is non-indented. Then all the body of the letters, that is first paragraph, that is main paragraph, closing paragraph, all the three parts are start with the left side margins, and we use the double line spacing in between one paragraph to another one. Then complementary clause and signatures, enclosures, and all other parts are start with the left side margin of the letters. That means they are non-indented. So it is the one of the format full blank style. That's the first one. Second format is modified blank format. Modified blank format. Here the blank format, all lines except date and complementary clause along with signatures are flushed from the left margin. In blank format, all lines except the date and complementary clause along with signature are flushed from the left margin. But however, the date and complementary clause signature are flushed with the right side margin. It is the main features. The date, complementary clause, signatures are flushed with the right side margin of the letters. But the lines of except date and complementary clause along with signature flushed with the left margin. First one. Next one, all the paragraphs begins at the left margin and there is a double line space between the paragraphs. It appears is balanced and neat. It is another main features of the modified blank format. Next one, this form also saves time in typing. A little adjustment is required is to be made because of balanced look. This block form is very popular and widely used form in business correspondence. Some business correspondence, some business organizations followed the modified block format. So this is the format of modified blank format. Here generally the head address or the head address and date are written in right side corner of the letter, and after using double line spacing, the inside address are written in left side margin, that is full block form style. Then the salutation and subject salutation written in left side margin, and all the body of the letters, first paragraph, that is opening, main and closing paragraphs are written in left side margin of the letters, and we use the double line space in between one paragraph to another. And after giving double line spacing, the complementary clause and signatures are written in right side corner of the letters, and enclosures and other parts in written in left side corner of the letters. It is one of the format of modified blank letters. Then another format is semi-blank format. That is semi-blank format. It is another business style. Some business organizations follow this type of letters. Among the first feature is this form is also called semi-indented form. This form is also called semi-indented form. The semi-blank format, date, complementary clauses and signatures are flushed with the right margin, inside address, and salutation are set flush with the left margin, and the paragraphs are indented. It is another main feature of the semi-blank format. So then it requires certain extra typing adjustments compared with block formats, but because of its balanced look like block format, it is most popular among business worlds. Some business organizations adapted this type of letter correspondence. The format for the semi-blank styles are as follows. Generally, the head address are written in center place of the letters in single line spacing. Thereafter, the date is written in right side corner of the letter, and after giving double line spacing, the inside address are written in left side margin of the letter, that is in block formats. Then salutation is written in left side margin of the letters, and all the body of the letters, that is opening paragraph, main paragraph and closing paragraph, the first line of each paragraphs are indented, and subsequent lines are in full black styles, and it is given in single line spacing, but one paragraph to another paragraph double line space are followed. Thereafter, the complementary clause are written in right side corner of the letter, and signature also written in right side corner, enclosures and other points written in left side corner of the letters. It is one of the semi-blank style. Another format is indented form. Under this style, this is old style and now it is outdated. In this form, the inside address was in indented style. That means all the parts of letters are now started with left side margin. All the parts are indented, started with by giving spaces between 3 to 5 words. Another feature is every paragraph begins 3 to 5 spaces always from the left margin. Then besides, it took more time to type because of indenting. This style is not used today, so the majority of the business firms and organizations does not follow this type of letter correspondence. So for the reason, these type of formats are not essential. Then last format is hanging indented format. It is another style in business letters. The main features of these letters are: first one, in this style, the inside address is in blank form. The inside address is in blank form. Second one, the date and complementary clause are on the right. The complementary clause and date are generally written in right side corner of the letters. Next point is the beginning of every paragraph is at the left margin. The every paragraphs are start with left margin of the letters, that is in full black style. Then the subsequent lines of every paragraph is indented 3 to 5 spaces. It is the main features of the hanging indented form, that is the subsequent lines of the every paragraph is indented 3 to 5 spaces. It is a format, hanging indented format. Here the head address are generally written in central place of the letters with single line spacing, and after using double line spacing, the date is written in the right side corner of the letter, and by using double line spacing, thereafter we start the inside address in left side margin. Thereafter, by following double line space, then we start the salutation in left side margin. Then we use the double line space, thereafter start the body of the letters in 3 paragraphs. Here the main feature is the first line of the each paragraphs are full black style, that is non-indented, but the subsequent lines are indented 3 to 5 words. Then we use the double line space in between the one paragraph to another paragraph. Then complementary clause and signatures are written in right side corner of the letters. It is another format of the business letters. Some business organizations follow this type of letter correspondence.